गणाधिपो भानुशशीधरां सुतो बुधो गुरुभार्गवसूर्यनन्दनो राहुश्च केतुश्च परन्नवग्रह कुर्वन्तु पूर्णमनोरथं सदा उपेन्द्र इन्द्रो वरुणो हुताशनं धर्मो यमो वायुहरिश्चतुर्भुजं गन्धर्वयक्षो रगसिद्धचारणा कुर्वन्तवो पूर्णमनोरथं सदा।
Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki jai. So devotees, through the grace of Bhagwan Krishna, your love, your devotion, we have reached the Antim Rat, the final session of 7 dedicated to Bhagwan Krishna. As we have done each night, we commence with invocation, prayer, bhajan, kirtan, katha, and then more bhajan and kirtan. So focus upon the comely form of Bhagwan who is there with Radha Devi. It is on your right side, And Om Tat Sat Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. And do some pranayam, deep breathing. Kumbhak, Rechak, Purak. Inhalation, exhalation, retention. As you do so, many things will begin to happen to you. And I shall outline very importantly what should take place. Breathing can help us achieve a physiological condition called coherence. So breathing can help us achieve coherence, which leads to improved mental clarity, focus, emotional stability, and decision making. So in other words, the way we breathe affects the way we think, the way we feel, and so much more. That's why I ask you, focus on Bhagwan Krishna and Om Tat Sat. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, as we engage in Bhagavad Sumiran. Varnanamaltra sanghanam rasanam chandasampi mangalanam chakartaro vande vani vinayako. Om ajnanam timiranghasya jnanayam shalakaya chakshulang militang yena tasmai shri guruve namaha. Redhi siddhi data siddhi sadana varana badana sumiro barambar madan kadan ke laal ko Ganapati kripa nidhan jnana khani anand चरण ली आने कर। जय 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 जगदीश सेवक शेष महेश अजय। महिमा अमित भेद भेद जानत नहीं। देहु मोहि वरदान राधा वर यह वर सदा। प्रेम भरी मुस्कान नित चित में खत खत रहे। मोहि चाहिए कछु नाही और वस्तु प्रभु जगत की। बसे रहे मन माही यह बाकी झांकी सदा। लिए लकुटिया गायन के पीछे फिरता। ग्वाल बाल लिए साथ मोर मुकुट सिर पर धरे। कर मुरली उरमा शीश मुकुट कति पीत पता। या छवि सो नंदलाल बस हो हृदय मम निशि दिवस। गुरु पद राज धरि शीश कहु भागवत की कथा। जो सुख देव मुनीश कहे परीक्षित नृपति सो। परिकरी कृत पीत पीतांबरम सिककदीत नदीकृत कंधरम। लकुट वेणुकरंचल कुंडलम पततरंगत भेष धरं भजो। ओम श्री कृष्णाय नमो नमः। Devotees, as I mentioned previously, I shall explain what the Bhagavad Sumedhan means. We've been hearing it, singing it, but what really is the meaning in English, I mean. So, Riddhi Siddhi Data. We bow to Riddhi, prosperity, Siddhi, success and victory. And who is that? That Lord Ganesh. He is the abode of success, had the face of an elephant. We contemplate upon that form of Shiva, Son, O compassionate Lord of Gan, the abode of bliss, grant us boon so we'll be able to understand, read and follow the teaching of Bhagavad Gita. Victory to you, O Shiva, O blissful Lord of all bhoot creatures, living beings, the remover of the fears of this world. You are the object of our devotion. You are above the pairs of opposites, Sukh, Dukh, Pap, Punya. You are above duality. Fear in completion, give up all auspicious things, O Mukunda. The moon of the Vraj Bhumi, the light and beauty of Vrindavan, remover of sins, please, out the light of worldly ties, I have taken shelter at your feet. Victory to you, O Lord of the universe, Vishnu Bhagwan. You are worshipped by Shiva, Brahma and Sheshnag. Your glory is limitless, even the Vedas cannot describe it. Give me a boon, O Lord of Radha, that your sweet, affectionate smile should always be in my heart. The continues Bhagavad Sumiran. O Lord, I don't ask for anything material, no worldly things from you, just that your loving image should stay in my mind and my heart and my consciousness. O Lord, you who wear the crown of peacock feathers, holding a stick in your hand, grazing the cows, accompanied by the other cowherds, carrying a flute in your hand, wearing a garland around your neck, a crown on your head, and tying a yellow scarf around your waist. O beloved son of Nanda, should forever reside day and night in my heart. Meditating upon the sacred dust of the Guru's feet, I am narrating the Katha of Bhagavad Mahapuran. This Katha was told by Sukdev Muni to Raja Parikshit, who had only 7 days in which to live. So that is what the Bhagavad Sumiran is, that we've been listening to night after night. So we get a meaning of it. Very, very instructive, very important. So devotees, having said that, let us now prepare ourselves. I shall read a verse which tells us very importantly, it is the end of Bhagavad. After all the various discourses were mentioned, then devotees will get this instruction. Om Shri Krishna Govindaye Namo Namah. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. गिरते पड़ते उठते बैठते विपत्ति के समय छीक के विशाल विवशता से ऊंच स्वर से हरिये नमः, ऊंचे स्वर से हरिये नमः। जो पुरुष इस प्रकार कहता है यह सब पापों को मुक्त हो जाता है। जो पुरुष भगवान का कीर्तन करता है अथवा उनके गुणों के गाता है तो अत्यंत भगवान उसके चित्त में प्रवेश करके सब पापों को दूर कर देते हैं। बोले श्री वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की। Devotees, briefly what is being told. After Raja Parishad listened to all the various kathas enunciated by the great sage, then finally he tells us, all of us, he says, my dear people, this Bhagavad Katha is not for the king only, it's for entire human race, civilization. And he gives a wonderful bit of advice. He says, whatever happens to you, if you sneeze, if you cough, if you fall down, if you sit down, if you stand up, whatever it might be, you sing, you clap, you dance, always recite this mantra. And what is the mantra? Om Hariye Namah. Now we are told when you sneeze, say whatever, God bless you and so on. That's good, not bad. All right? But devotee Bhagavad Mahapuran is saying when anyone sneezes, or if, whatever it might be that you do, except course obviously, say Om Hariye Namah. I want you to remember this month and start repeating it whenever devotees. When you're driving, when you, whatever it might be, always Om Hariye Namah. Let us say it for a short while and then I shall move on. Om Hariye Namah. 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 Om Harye Namah. Om Harye. Remember, focus upon any of the forms of the Lord, in this case Bhagwan Krishna, and make the whole exercise meaningful. You'll experience something you have probably never experienced before. This is the power of the sage and the power of the great mantra. Mantra is iti, that which elevates the consciousness from worldliness to godliness. Om Harye Namah. 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 Om Vrindavan Bihari Lal Ki Jai. So devotees, remember that mantra from Bhagavad Mahapuran. You have heard all kinds of mantras. Yesterday we heard about Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Today now Om Harye Namah. Any mantra you feel comfortable with, any mantra that makes you feel in a certain way, elevated way, uplifted way, then keep reciting that mantra and see the power of mantras. So devotees, having said that, now this evening we read a verse from Bhagavad Mahapuran, and there is so much to say, but I'm going to use the rest of the time using bhajans which bring out wonderful lessons about the life of Bhagwan Krishna. So devotees, there is this beautiful one. One day, early in the morning, Ma Yashoda, with a call and knocking on the door, if I can use that term. And so, being a good housewife, a good devotee, she decided to go and see who was it, who is calling and knocking so early in the morning. And devotees, here's what she saw and what she did. Are dekho re ek bala jogi, ho dekho re ek bala jogi, dwar mere aayo re, dwar mere aayo re, dekho re ek bala jogi, dwar mere aayo re, dwar mere aayo re, dekho re ek bala. What she saw? A yogi, mother locks, chandan, all the emblems of divinity. Who is this yogi? We'll hear as the bhajan continues. Madheva ke tilak chandrama, Madheva ke tilak chandrama, jogi jata parhayo re, jogi jata parhayo re, dekho re ka. Le bhiksha nikasi nandarani, le bhiksha nikasi nandarani, le bhiksha nikasi nandarani, le bhiksha nikasi nandarani, motiyan थार भरायो रे, मोतियन थार भरायो रे, देखो रे एक पाला जोगी। ले भिक्षा जोगी जा आसन को, ले भिक्षा जोगी जा आसन को, मेरे गोपाल दरायो रे, मेरे गोपाल दरायो रे, देखो रे एक पाला जोगी द्वार मेरे आयो रे, द्वार मेरे आयो रे, देखो रे एक। Devotees, Bhagwan Sri Ram says to Bhaya Lakshman, look how the peacocks are dancing in anticipation of the rain. So Bhaya Lakshman ji asks, what is this, O Lord? I can see the peacock, I can see rain will fall, but what does it mean? He says, so to those individuals, householders, when they see a man of God, a holy, forms of holiness, and they have happiness and joy in their heart, then they are my devotees. Here devotees, Ma Yashoda. She, early after doing whatever she does in the kitchen, as most parents would do, she hears it knock and she goes and there's a yogi before her door. Now devotee, the question is very simple. If I see a holy man, if I dream a holy man, is that good or bad? It couldn't be bad based on what Bhagwan Sri Ram said. So she saw all the emblem, the long hair and the matted hair and what have you, chandan and so on. So she thought this a yogi came begging for alms. So she went inside and she got alms, rice and dal and what have you. And then she brought it, pearls and what have you, what she could afford for the yogi, hoping he will take it and go his way. But devotees, the yogi did not stretch out his hand. He did not accept the gifts that she was giving to him. What did he say? What happened? Le bhiksha jogi ja asan ko. She said, take these alms and go because my child, my Gopal is fast asleep. And if he sees you dressed like this, it will scare him. He is not accustomed to seeing these kinds of forms. So let him take the alms and go, O yogi. Devotees, she thought that this yogi who will hear, we all ought to know by now if we follow Bhagavad Gita, she thought he came for alms. Devotees, but what did the yogi say? Na chahiye teri duniya daulat, na chahiye, na chahiye, do na chahiye, na chahiye teri duniya daulat, 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 na chahiye teri माया रे, ना चाहिए तेरी माया रे, देखो रे एक पाला जोगी। अपने गोपाल जी का दर्शन करा दे, अपने गोपाल जी का दर्शन करा दे, अपने गोपाल, हाँ अपने गोपाल जी का दर्शन करा दे, अपने गोपाल जी का दर्शन करा दे। मैं दर्शन को आया रे, मैं दर्शन को आया रे, देखो रे एक। The yogi said, I didn't come for any alms. I came from nothing material. She says, take it and go. I don't want my Gopal to see you. But he stood his ground. And then he said, Apne Gopal ji ka darsh kara de. Oh ma, I just want to behold that form of that child. I just want to see Bal Krishna. Just what she didn't want is what he's asking for. And she says, take it and go. He says, no, I want to see Gopal. Devotees, such is a love, such is the determination to behold the comely form of Bhagwan Krishna in the baby form. The devotee, what will happen? Lay balak nikasi nandarani, lay balak nikasi nandarani, Shambho darshan payo re, Shambho darshan payo re, dekho re ek bala jogi dwar mere. सात बार परिक्रमा करके, सात बार परिक्रमा करके, श्रृंगी नाद बजायो रे, श्रृंगी नाद बजायो रे, देखो सूरदास बैकुंठ लोक में, सूरदास बैकुंठ लोक में, मैं धन्य यशोमती माया रे, धन्य यशोमती माया रे, देखो रे एक तीन लोक के अंतरयामी, तीन लोक के अंतरयामी, बालक रूप दिखायो रे, बालक रूप दिखायो रे, देखो रे एक बाला जोगी द्वार मेरे आयो रे, द्वार मेरे आयो रे, देखो रे एक बाला जोगी, देखो रे एक बाला जोगी, देखो रे एक बाला जोगी. Devotees, we just briefly outline the situation. Mother is saying, take the Sita, take what you want. She thinks she's a normal sadhu or beggar or whatever. Bhagwan, it was Bhagwan Shiv, Jata. Once you say Jata, Tripund, and all ashes on the body, and all of these emblems of divinity, devotees were Lord Shiva who had come. And what was his desire? To behold the comely form of Bal Krishna, child Krishna. And so devotees, mother didn't understand until she explained to her, and then she understood what was taking place. That this was the divine plan, divine Lord, devotees. And so he played upon his instrument, he made a song, he did his dance, and we all know what kind of dance Shivaji dances, don't we? I don't have to go into that again, we mentioned that previously. So devotees, he had a beautiful time when he saw the form. Mother Yashoda was afraid, but she had to bring it because the yogi is saying you don't turn on a holy man for a good request, and she had to hide him, say, put him, look, take a look. He looked at Bhagwan Krishna, but devotees, God knows God, God sees God. We all know that. And so, without going into any great detail, he was happy. He began to sing and dance in the yard of Ma Yashoda, and Bhagwan is enjoying this. He is Nataraj, one is Nandalal. And so devotees, this was a wonderful incident on this day in the life of Bhagwan Krishna. Now, we go to another incident. Notice we're not going into detail, just briefly. What happened? मैं नहीं माखन खायो, मैं नहीं माखन खायो, मैया मोरी, मैं नहीं माखन खायो, नहीं माखन खायो मैया मोरी, मैं नहीं माखन खायो. Devotees, evening time, Ma Yashoda meets Bhagwan Krishna, and she asked him, "O Krishna, did you take the makhan? Did you eat it?" So he said, "Maya, Ma, मैं नहीं माखन खायो, I did not. How could I? भोर भयेगा यंके पाँचे. Early in the morning, you woke me up and you told me go and take the cows to the pasture, let them graze. So I spent the day ensuring the cows have the belly full. And so evening came, I returned. How can I take the makhan, Ma? I couldn't." She says, "Kanhaiya, O Krishna, you took the makhan, I'm telling you, you took it." He says, "Mother, I did not take it." So now there's a stalemate. Mother and son, one saying yes, one saying no. What will happen? Maya mori, मैं नहीं माखन खायो, मैं नहीं अपने लकुटी कमरिया बहुत ही नाचन चायो, ये ले अपने लकुटी कमरिया बहुत ही नाचन चायो. सूरदास तब हसी जशोदा, सूरदास तब हसी जशोदा, ले निज कंठ लगायो, मैं नहीं माखन खायो, मैया मोरी, मैं नहीं माखन खायो, मैं नहीं माखन खायो. Devotees, no matter what she said, he kept insisting, "How could I take the makhan? I wasn't home." And devotees, she knew it was missing, and who else could have done it? So here now, when she insisted, you know what he said? "Ma, le jine kan khagayu, yele le apne lakuti kamariya." Take the rope, take the stick, take everything. Tomorrow when you wake me to go and graze the cow, I'm not getting up, I'm not going, you'll have to go and do it yourself. Now he's just doing it with his mother devotees. If he doesn't play and talk like this with his devotees, how would you know? This is what they wanted, this is why he came. And so when she saw that he was serious, he was insistent, he didn't take it. And if tomorrow comes and he doesn't get up and he doesn't take the cows out to the pasture, then the cows will starve and Nand Baba will be annoyed and everything will turn topsy-turvy. So she said, "Okay, you say you didn't take it, that's okay, but here what? I know you took it. So let's leave it here. Take back everything and tomorrow let it be like normal. You take the cows to graze." Surdas smiled. He said, "Look at what the love a devotee has. Look at the love the Lord has for us as his devotees." Now devotees, I'm not doing justice to it. I know that. I'm just taking it literally and straightforward. But Makhan is devotees' ecstasy, spiritual joy. And this is what I'll tell you in another bhajan, what it really stands for. So here now the thing is, mother is saying you didn't take it, I'm saying you took it. He says, "Okay, I didn't take it," but then when he stood up, she said, "Okay, I will back. And this is a little how we must, behave in conversations. If somebody is insistent, you simply lie low. Agree for a while, and you can bring it up again at another time, another day, when the person in a different frame of mind, and you get a better result. But when both of us stand up, and we be insisting, we're not going anywhere. We will not reach anywhere with that confrontational attitude. So devotees, here now, Bhagwan, he knows what he's doing. So when she backed down and said, okay, you didn't take it, but I know you took it, but here what? Bhagwan, so that's how it is. So here what he began to say, devotees. It's unbelievable. Hare Mangata Makhan Roti Gopal Pyare 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 अपने गोपाल जी को रोटियां बना दे अपने गोपाल हाँ अपने गोपाल जी को रोटियां बना रे अपने गोपाल जी को रोटियां बना रे एक ये छोटी एक ये मोटी एक छोटी एक ये मोटी मंगतम अने रोटी गोपाल प्यारे मंगत माखन रोटी गोपाल प्यारे अपने गोपाल जी को झूलवा सिला दे अपने गोपाल जी का रोटियां बना दे अपने गोपाल जी को झूलवा सिला दे हीरा लाल जरी टोपी मंगत माखन रोटी गोपाल प्यारे मंगत माखन रोटी गोपाल प्यारे अपने गोपाल जी को ब्याह करा दे अपने गोपाल जी का ब्याह करा दे एक ये भूप एक ये टोपी मंगत माखन रोटी गोपाल प्यारे मंगत माखन रोटी गोपाल प्यारे सूरदास अस कहत यशोदा सूरदास अस कहत यशोदा काहे भूमे ले लोटी मंगत माखन रोटी गोपाल प्यारे 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 मंगत माखन बोले श्री वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय. So devotees, I will translate this one in some detail. So you begin to get its substance. These songs have great meanings. We won't always translate all and go into great detail, but this one I want to go in detail. So what happened? Makhan is a state of divine consciousness. Yet it is one of the, items of food stuff that we have, Makhan. But devotees, what is Bhagwan saying now? He says, you said I took the Makhan, I told you I didn't take it. Now he's saying I want roti. Now, interesting, people say roti bad. It's how much you're eating. And if I eat roti and not exercise and not working it out, then it's bad. But devotees, food could never be bad. But we'll leave it here. Here, let us take Makhan. It remains a state of divine consciousness. That's what we should all strive for. And the food that we eat should give us that kind of thoughts. Because food affects mood and so much more. Devotees, he wants food for health, for good thoughts. And devotees, if we don't have that, then we know what happens. The bhajan goes on. It says, if we eat the right food, we'll have a healthy mind and a healthy body. Men sana incorpore sano. A healthy mind and a healthy body is the best thing for society and for everyone. And devotee, there are too many diseases of the mind. Too many diseases of the mind. And if you want me to share some of them with you, I'll tell you. Moha, ignorance, kam, lust, lobh, greed, krodh, anger, mamta, attachment, irsha, envy, matsar, jealousy, dushtata, wickedness, perversity, ahankar, egoism, kapat, hypocrisy and deceit, trishna, cravings for worldliness, and avivek, lack of discrimination. Devotees, you realize what's happening to us? We are guilty of them, or some of them, or all of them. God knows. But this is what Bhagwan is saying. I want Makhan, which will bring pure thoughts to me, which will help me to elevate myself, make me healthy in every sense of the word. So devotees, they'll bring inner peace and stability. So we are being asked to, what are we eating? Answer, what are we eating? Is it make us healthy? Is it make us fat? Well, sorry, it make it heavier, or what have you? Devotees, you think about it. So when he said that now, he said, Ma, I want Jhulwa. I want the swing, Jhulna. That's how they get the whole thing, or rocking the hammock. Devotees, and what is a swing? A swing goes up, it goes down. Up and down, up and down. What symbolically is this bhajan saying? What the Lord Krishna is saying? That, oh Ma, I want to experience the ups and downs of life. We all will experience ups and downs of life. When it's up, I feel happy. When it's down, I feel unhappy. But the food I'm eating will help me to overcome these moods of the mind. Therefore, my success and failure, all of these things symbolized by the upward and downward movement of the swing, I shall be able to overcome that. The forward and the backward movement of life. Sometimes I'm excelling, sometimes I'm not excelling. So devotees, he's saying, Ma, technically, spiritually, to you and I, this is what he's saying. That life has these swings, and now we all know the term mood swings. He having mood swing. Watch out, leave him alone. Devotees, we need to bear these words in mind. So what it all comes from? What our diet, what we eat, our food. Then he says, I want a dulahin. I want to get married. Man is a social being. Man is a social being. He's a gregarious being. He loves to flock. He needs company. And so devotees, he's saying, I want to get married, but here what? What kind of person should I get married to? One who will bring shanti. And there's a beautiful saying from the scriptures that Satyam Mata Pita Jnanam Shanti Patni. The wife in the home can make that home a very pleasant, a very peaceful place, or you can make it a warlike zone, a real warlike zone. So what kind of wife? Devotees. Those who wish to marry and those who are married, Bhagwan says he wants to live like a king. He wants to live in the hammock rocking, eating the good food, but he wants a wife who will make him happy, who's a peaceful person. He wants a peaceful life with his wife, and that's good to know. So devotees, Yashoda is the ultimate peace leading to bliss, and none represents supreme delight. So now, let's go. Let's continue. We know what his diseases are. We want to get them out of our system. And so devotees, on that particular day you heard the katha. Now there's a bhajan that tells us about it. Are Gobaladhan Pujan Radha Chali. Oh Radha Chali. Hey Radha Chali, oh Radha Chali. Radha Chali, Govardhan Pujan Radha Chali, Govardhan Pujan Radha Chali, Govardhan Pujan Radha Chali, Govardhan Pujan Radha Chali. Hey Radha Chali, Radha Chali, oh Radha Chali, Radha Chali. Govardhan Pujan Radha Chali, Govardhan Pujan Radha Chali. सोलह श्रृंगार आभूषण करके, सोलह श्रृंगार आभूषण करके जय कही, गोवर्धन पूजन राधा चली। कंचन थाल कपूर की बाती, कंचन थाल कपूर की बाती, बाहु में साजे चंपा कली, गोवर्धन पूजन राधा चली। जाओ उधो कहो माधु से आवे, जाओ उधो कहो माधु से आवे, तो आवे नहीं आवो चली, गोवर्धन पूजन राधा चली, गोवर्धन पूजन राधा चली। चंद्र सखी भजो बाल कृष्ण छवि, चंद्र सखी भजो बाल कृष्ण छवि, चरण शीर नाई खरी, गोवर्धन पूजन राधा चली, गोवर्धन पूजन राधा चली। हे राधा चली, राधा चली, ओ राधा चली, राधा चली, गोवर्धन पूजन राधा चली, गोवर्धन पूजन राधा चली, गोवर्धन पूजन राधा चली। So devotees, another incident we heard it read a previous night, where they all went to that mountain and performed Govardhan Pujan. Devotee will not go into details for that, but Radha is leading them with Bhagwan. Radha means success. And we all want to be successful. And she's showing us, if we want to be successful, then Govardhan Puja, devotion, and whatever else is necessary. So, very simple. No big things. And devotees, there are 6 types of devotion. 6 types of devotion of faith. There is Sakya, friendship. There is Shant, contemplation. Dasya, seva. There is Vatsalya, parental love. Madhur, conjugal love. There is Anurag, devotee, selfless love. And there is Vidvesh, confrontational love, like Ravan. He loves Sri Ram, but in a confrontational way. And you know, they are saying, if you hate somebody and they're always in your mind, then you know what happens. So therefore, he has so much hate for Sri Ram that Sri Ram was inside of him. So much so when they tried to shoot him, devotees, Sri Ram didn't shoot him in his arrow. When he was told by Bibhishan that you know why he can't die, you're not shooting him in the right place? Because he has Sita in his heart. And if he has Sita in his heart, how can you kill him? So that way he told him, hit him in the liver. Devotees are interesting little things. I know I'm rushing it, but bear with me. Unbelievable. So we have Radha, who represents success, and we all want to be successful in life. So devotees, I will deal with one again, and it goes like this. Mangala Roop Yashodanand, Ma Yashoda. She was truly blessed to have Bhagwan Krishna, to play with, to bathe, to feed, to you name it, devotees. Those were truly golden years in her life. Bhagwan, his name is Gopal and Govind, protector of the cows. Gopal, Govind, protector of the cows, the lover of the cows. Cows represent the senses in man. Do I like my senses? Am I damaging them by what I eat and what I think and what I do? And also, let's take the environment. Am I protecting the environment? The environment is a reflection of man's state of mind. And when man degenerates, then the environment is a reflection of that degeneration of the mind. And there's a little incident I like to give it from Reader's Digest. This man, he was in the armed forces. His duty was to solve crime. Oh God, we need him here, bad. So, devotees, one day he went home. He was given very strict instructions. Find a solution. And devotees, he sat there, kind of depressed. What can I do to help my fellow people? They're all suffering. The criminals are running loose. And devotee sat there. Opposite him was a plant, and I want you to go and check it if you want. There's a plant called philodendron. The philodendron plant was upon him. And as his thoughts began to become more depressing and depressing, he saw the plant begin to fade. You know that happens? So the plant, its brilliance, its flowers, everything is all fading away. So he found that strange. What is causing this? Is the environment, is something, but yes, something in the environment. We are part of the environment, you know. So before he could do anything, his son who was playing with a ball came and threw it upon him and said, "Daddy, come and play with me. I want you to play with me." Now that's a good thing. And I hope we have time to play with our children. There are so many things we need to do with them. You know, if we don't play with them and do these things, then we lose them and they will fall in the hands of, leave it there. So devotees, he came out of that depression mood and he took the ball and began to play with his son for a while. But after a while, when the play was done and his son had enough, he came back, and when he sat in front of the plant, he saw the plant in full bloom. How come? He couldn't understand that. And after careful consideration, he realized the mood of the individual affects the plant and the state of the plant. Interesting. And from that simple discovery came the lie detector test. Check the history of the lie detector test. Look at the greatness of your religion, devotees. So he got the whole thing about the lie detector test, but I can't go into that. An eyeline. So devotees, this is what we see happening here. So Ma Yashoda, she had Bhagwan Krishna. She would play with him, nurse him, do all sorts of things. Those golden years of our lives, let us spend them in tremendous happy moments with our children, with each other too, undoubtedly. Because devotees, no one can replace those years, none. So here now, Bhagwan, he's the protector of the cows, he's the lover of the cows. We all must be protectors of the environment, protectors of the animals, and also protectors of our own fellow human beings. If not we doing that, if we're not doing that, then what are we doing? So here now the bhajan says, very simple, straightforward. Oh, blessed indeed is Ma Yashoda. Blessed indeed are those mothers who look after their children well, after themselves and after their husbands. Sometimes wives are so busy looking after the husband and children, they forget to look after themselves, and that's bad. You are important also, very important. The devotees, the bhajan says, Hare Mangala Jupa Yashoda Nanda Ho Mangala Rupa Yashoda He Mangala Rupa Yashoda Nanda Mangala Mukuta Sawana Me Mangala Tilaka Virajat Changa Mangala Rupa Yashoda Nanda Ho Mangala Bhushan Angaye Sohat Mangala Bhushan Sab Angaye Sohat Mangala Murti Ananda Kanda Mangala Murti Ananda Kanda Mangala Rupa Yashoda Nanda Mangala Lakuta Kakame Chape Mangala Murali Bajawat Manda Mangala Murati Bajawat Chanda Mangala Rupa Yashoda. Look at Bhagwan Krishna. Look at the peacock feathers. Look at the crown. Look at his clothes. Look at his face. Look at everything, how he's standing, everything. Before his body is tripang, three pose, such a rajan dump. You name it, so much meaning behind Bhagwan. But let us get the bliss by looking at his form. This is what Ma Yashoda is enjoying. This is what the bhajan writer is saying. Oh man, don't deprive yourself of the joy of life. No, he says, Mangal chal manohar mangal darshan hot mite dukha dhvanda mangal roop yashoda mangal prajapati naam saban ko mangal chamgawat shruti chand mangal roop yashodananda mangal roop yashodananda 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 mangal roop yashodananda mangal roop yashodananda he mangal roop yashodananda. Bole Shri Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki. Now devotees, what I find very interesting is many a time, well for me, we are called upon to talk about Bhagwan Krishna. But do we hear him talk? Do we listen to his words? One way to know is read Bhagavad Gita. And I thought it fit I should share some of its priceless gems for motivation, for inspiration, for each and every one. And so I explain some of them now. Those who are fair in their dealings with all, who control their senses and are devoted to doing good to all, they are the ones who come to me. He who is free from malice towards all beings, who is friendly as well as compassionate, who has no feelings of pride, who is forgiving by nature, who is ever content and have a firm resolve, that devotee of mine is dear to me. He who is not a source of annoyance to the world, who never feels offended with the world, who is free from anger, fear, and lust and arrogance, he is dear to me. He who loves all, sees me everywhere, and does not condemn, who is given the pure thoughts, words, and deeds, is always willing to help those in need, he is dear to me. I reside neither in heaven nor in the ocean of milk, but where my devotees exist and there is love, devotion, charity, cleanliness, and compassion, I am most present. Most present. So devotees, sometimes we forget what Bhagwan says and we focus on other things. I'll just read one or two again. He says, just as the cloud, which does not contain vapor and will not shower rain, so does that life without God. Serves no purpose, or little purpose. He says, what is the day without the sunlight? The night without the moon, and the body without the soul. Life without love for oneself and one's people and one's God is a life almost wasted. Therefore, those are some words I thought I'll commend concerning Bhagwan Krishna. And devotees, finally I want to end with this. Devotees, Bhagwan Krishna. It's good to know a few things about him. Symbolically, we mentioned Radha represents success. Vasudeva represents the Vedic literature. Devaki, the manifestation of Omkar. The birthplace of Lord Krishna symbolizes the abode of wisdom, while Kans represents strife, evil, conflict, and wickedness. Bhagwan Krishna represents the essence of the Vedas. He is the personification of knowledge. The place where Nanda and Yashoda lived is called Gokul Puri. It refers to Nanda Ban, the place of bliss or heaven on earth. And devotees, Nand himself, the foster father of Bhagwan Krishna, symbolizes supreme delight. Born out of Anand or divine bliss, Yashoda signified the ultimate bliss, state of peace, that leads to unbounded bliss. The river Yamuna flowed through the entire village where Lord Krishna lived with his foster parents. Symbolically represented this river the stream of karma or disinterested action. In order to reach the land of bliss, the river must be crossed. Knowledge of the Vedas, Vedic essence. Despite the various challenges which one encounters, you have to cross the stream of disinterested action. The cow represented thousands of slok as well as the senses. And devotees, Bhagwan is the state of divine consciousness. There's a lot more, I'm just skimming it. But devotees, we need to be minded of these very powerful statements, powerful sayings. So, I want us to join together. We glorify the Lord again. And devotees, this time, I want to mention what is Gaudan. It's good to know. It's something you don't see very often. It's an ancient practice to give a cow as a gift to a holy one, a deserving one, a holy Brahman. Gau is, in Sanskrit, means the source of food, senses, symbol of life and the senses. With the aim to acquire victory over the senses. When I give a Gaudan, I'm striving to acquire victory or success over the senses to overcome the challenges of life. There are 3 gates that lead to hell. It's good to know which gate you're heading for if you're heading. There are 3 gates that lead to hell: anger, lust, and arrogance. So to give a cow is symbolically to control one's senses, to act righteously so it can be free from the bondage of sin and suffering and the cycle of birth and death, represented by crossing the river of purity, impurity, Vaiterani. I'm saying a lot of things in a very short while. But devotees, the idea is I must do these things to make life make sense. And so, let us join together. And what we sing is, there's so many bhajans. Devotees, Teri Bani Jai He, Govinda Guna Gaye Se. The song the mothers would sing long time. O Teri Bani Jai He, Govinda Guna Gaye Se. Govinda Guna Gaye Se, Govinda Guna Gaye Se. Teri Bani Jai He, Govinda Guna Gaye Se. Teri Bani Jai He, Govinda Guna Gaye Se. Teri बनी प्रहलाद की बनी गई, शिवर की बनी गई, झूठे फल खाए से, झूठे फल खाए से, झूठे फल खाए से। गेंधा की बनी जामिल की बनी गई, गणिका की बनी गई, सुवा के पढ़ाई से। तेरी बनी जय हे गोविंद गुण गाय से, तेरी बनी जय हे गोविंद गुण गाय से। बनी और कबीरा की बनी गई, मीरा की बनी गई, बन की बजाए से, बेहर विष खाए से, जहर विष खाए से, जहर विष खाए से। सूर की बनी और कबीर की बनी गई, मीरा की बनी गई, जहर विष खाए से, जहर विष खाए से, जहर विष खाए से। श्री रघुराज से क्या बिगड़ी है, का पायो प्रभु ते ही अंग साई से। तेरी बंदी जय हे गोविंद गुण गाय से, तेरी बंदी जय हे गोविंद गुण गाय से। गोविंद गुण गाय से, राम गुण गाय से, गोविंद गुण गाय से, कृष्ण गुण गाय से, राम गुण गाय से। तेरी बंदी जय हे गोविंद गुण गाय से, तेरी बंदी जय हे गोविंद गुण गाय से, तेरी बंदी जय हे। बोले श्री वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की। So devotees, I will end there and I will make a few remarks and then we pass on. This has been a yajna, well organized, well managed, and those who came would have experienced the greatest of Bhagwan Krishna in some form or fashion. And so I pray to those who are responsible. We have the chairperson of the temple, Swastika. We have, what is it? Tarun here? Yeah, Pandit Tarun, Pandit Kishan, and the members of the Mandir. You have done well. Obviously, we have Uttam, Mamita, good people. Pandit Chandradev, very good. And then we had Purande. We also have Pandit Varish. He played the tabla and also was responsible for the videoing and whatever else. And we're happy for that. We also have tonight with us my good friend, Gayaji. Good to see you. God bless you. You alone came? Okay, good. So we also have IETV, Vivek, my godson. Many of you don't know, him, my godchild. I knew him as a baby, slim man growing up. And how he struggled and he made it, and now he's a powerful man. So blessings to you. We have Pandit, this thing blocking me. Roshan is here. Right, Pandit Roshan, blessings to you and your family. I like how you travel with your family. We need to do that. Too many times we just see Baba alone, Baba alone. I don't know where the family is. But you have done well. And your wife is a beautiful singer and you play also good music. So blessings to you. I see this handsome young man. Since school days, he engaged in music, in talent. What is his name again? Ronaldo Balgobin, I know the title. Blessings to you. Keep up the good work. When he sings, it reminds me of Hanif Mohammed. I don't know how, but that's good. And our shrotas today, they are students from the Ramlila group and others. So we say blessings to you, well done. So devotees, those who contribute in any way, whatever way, we're happy that you were able to do that. And we pray that you keep up the good work. And we know it wasn't the most appropriate time in sense of people's convenience to have a yag. But this group, this bunch of people, took it bravely and they said, nah, no matter what is the time, this is our time, and we will do it. And I commend them for that kind of forthright attitude and bravery. And those who came and played music and sang with us, we're happy to have you. And now we shall have the Havan. While the Havan is in progress, devotees, let us join together. This bhajan says, victory, victory to Mother India. Bande Mataram. That land is decorated by truth and happiness, the essence of Gurukul. The sky and the earth proclaim this victory. In this place, favored by the divine, is found the path of truth and the light of happiness. On this earth is spread greenery, and above it the blue sky. It is here that is decorated with equality for all, equality for all. It is on this sacred land that Sri Ram and Bhagwan Krishna came, took avatar, and they acted, and they came among our devotees. And here, Arjun was the charioteer. Devotees, a song from way, way back, Bhagavad Mahima. Remember? Jai Janani, Jai Bharati, Jai Jai Janani, Jai Bharati. गुरुकुल सजा रहे हैं सच्चा सुख की आरती, सच्चा सुख की आरती। अंबर गाता सारी धरती बारंबार पुकारती। जय जननी का सुख की यही प्रकाश है, सुख की यही प्रकाश है। हार बिछौना पृथ्वी पर, ऊपर नीलाकाश है, ऊपर नीलाकाश है। समता ममता यह समय का श्रृंगार संहारती। जय जननी बन के आंगन में खेल चुके श्री राम है, खेल चुके श्री राम है। इसी भूमि पर माखन मिसरी बात गए घनश्याम है, बात गए घनश्याम है। धर कर नर का रूप यहाँ भगवान बने हैं सारथी। जय जननी जय भारती, जय जय जननी जय भारती, जय जननी जय भारती, जय जय जननी जय भारती। भजो रघुबर श्याम युगल चरना, भजो रघुबर श्याम युगल चरना, भजो रघुबर श्याम युगल चरना। भजो इत तो अयोध्या निर्मल सरयू, इत तो अयोध्या निर्मल सरयू। उठ गोकुल शीतल जमुना, भजो रघुबर श्याम युगल चरना। भजो There are many verses, we shall sing just a few of them. इत तो अयोध्या निर्मल सरयू, इत तो अयोध्या निर्मल सरयू। उठ गोकुल शीतल जमुना, भजो रघुबर श्याम। एह कौशल्या गोद खिलावे, उठ तो यशोदा झुलावे पलना। भजो रघुबर श्याम युगल चरना। इत तो जानकी बाम विराजे, इत तो उठ राधा सुख की रचना। भजो रघुबर श्याम युगल चरना। इत तो धनुष बांकर राजत, इत तो धनुष बांकर राजत। उठ मुरली मुख पर धरना। भजो रघुबर श्याम युगल चरना। भजो रघुबर श्याम युगल चरना। इत तो जानकी बाम विराजे, इत तो जानकी बाम विराजे। उठ राधा सुख की रचना। भजो रघुबर श्याम युगल चरना। भजो रघुबर श्याम युगल चरना। इत तो रावण राक्षस मारे, इत तो रावण राक्षस मारे। उठ तो कंस पछारे ललना। भजो रघुबर श्याम युगल चरना। भजो रघुबर श्याम युगल चरना। इत तुलसी उठ सूर सराहत, इत तुलसी उठ युगल चरणा भजो रघुवर श्याम युगल चरणा भजो रघुवर श्याम बोलो श्री सीताराम 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 जय सीताराम बोलो श्री सीताराम बोलो श्री राधे श्याम राधे श्याम राधे श्याम जय राधे श्याम बोलो श्री राधे श्याम सीताराम जय सीताराम ओ राधे श्याम जय राधे श्याम बोलो श्री सीताराम 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 जय राधे श्याम बोले श्री सीतारामचंद्र की जय वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की. So at this point, I shall hand over to the chairperson, Swastika.
Sitaram. As we conclude our Bhagavad Yagya tonight, my heart is filled. The success of this Yagya could not have materialized without the grace and blessings of Bhagavan Sri Krishna. I pray that we continue to have faith in the power of chanting Sri Krishna. I pay my respects to the late Shankaracharya Pandit Hari Prasad and Mrs. Chandravati Prasad, whose sacred union materialized in our spiritual leader and my dad, Pandit Balram Prasad. Pandit Balram, we the members of Tulsi Manas are indeed blessed to have you as our spiritual leader and Mommy, Mrs. Nalini Prasad, as Gurmai in our temple. We truly appreciated the sacrifice you and Mommy made for the past 7 nights to be here in satsang with us. Special thanks also to my husband, Pandit Chandradev, for conducting puja for the 6 of the 7 nights, and to Pandit Tarun for the last night. You did your part efficiently and was on time. Special thanks to our shrotas tonight, members of the Ramlila caste, Caleb, Kade, Arshan, and Sakari. Thank you, Uttam, for preparation for puja tonight. We were blessed to have very kind and generous donations and assistance, both in cash, kind, and manpower for our yagya from the very hardworking members of our executive and membership at our temple. Some contributions I wish to acknowledge, since I would not have mentioned in our previous nights of satsang. Firstly, my brother Pandit Vinayak Prasad and his family, Sarvani Prasad, Avni, and Avian, in sponsoring ghee for the use in our yagya. Thank you, Pandit Vinayak. I also truly appreciated the sacrifice you made with your family to be here every night. Contributions from the PNM candidate for Kumoto Manzanilla area, Mr. Sanjeev Buru. Sir, I would have expressed our gratitude towards your contribution. Thank you very much. Uncle Harilal and family, and Nirvana and family, Auntie Naila, Ronald Jutram, and Sushila Butri. Thank you very much for your contribution. Special thanks also to Pandit Dudnath and the executive at Vishwanath Hindu Mandir for allowing us the use of 150 chairs and their pots and stoves for our yagya. Our decorator, Naresh, thank you for creating such a divine atmosphere and ambience for our yagya free of charge. Thanks also to the cooking and Parsad crew for today. Auntie Parbaru and her son Brijesh, Pandit Kishan, Auntie Sharon, Auntie Leela, Auntie Purande, Uncle Deo, Auntie Shanti, Auntie Parvati, Kristan, Auntie Mamita, Uncle Boywa, Indira, Pandit Chandradev, and Pandit Tarun. Kate, I'm sorry that you didn't get to do the welcome, but I have it here. Thank you very much for still considering to do it. Special thanks to IETV for bringing our satsang live again tonight, and to Pandit Varish for the musical accompaniment for my dad, mic system, and for bringing our yagya live on Facebook night after night. Special thanks also to the Bhajan and Kirtan group tonight, Pandit and Mrs. Roshan Bairagi, Auntie Sindra, Yadesh, and Ronaldo. Thanks in advance to Sakari for performing a dance for us, which you will see shortly. A special thanks to each and every one of you who took the time to be here with us tonight. I am truly appreciative of your presence and do hope you continue to support us here at Tulsi Manas Mandir. Thank you to all the Pandits and members of the various temples far and wide who came and supported us in our yagya. Special thanks to Ms. Nanan, the administrator of Swaha ECC Center, and Ms. Ambika, Vice Principal, and Pandit Ishwar, Principal at Swaha Hindu College, for the use of their facilities for secured parking. Thanks also to Mr. Robinson and his team for providing top-class security for our 7 nights of satsang. A few parting comments. I assure you, from the magnificent teamwork I saw for the past 7 days, I feel confident that there are only positive things waiting to happen here at Tulsi Manas through the blessings of our God, Sri Krishna, and Pandit Balaram. Pandit Balaram has entrusted a great deal of responsibility when he's unable to be here, that is, to Pandit Tarun, Pandit Chandradev, and joining us is Pandit Kishan, and soon Abhay and Abhinesh, to continue the great work he started here at this temple. I remain humble in my duty as president to work with you, the members of the executive and supporters of our mandir, for greater transformation, upward, forward, and Godward. Thank you, members of the executive and supporters, for trusting me and believing in the success of these 7 nights of satsang. I was most happy to be here with you on a daily basis. My sons and husband also shared this sentiment. It was truly a joy for us, as I am sure it was for all of you who came and assisted us on a daily basis. I remain grateful. Thank you, and Sitaram. Meals and Parsad have been lovingly prepared for you again, and you will collect on your way out. Thank you.
वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय। भागवत आरती सब कोई खड़ा हो जाए, प्लीज ऑल स्टैंड। भागवत भगवान की है आरती, पापियों को पाप से है तारती। अमर ग्रंथ ये मुक्ति पंथ ये, पंचम वेद निराला, नव ज्योति जगाने वाला। हरि गान यही वरदान यही,
हरि गान यही वरदान यही,
जग के मंगल की आरती।
पापियों
मुख मिटाने वाला, हरि दर्श दिखाने वाला, है सुख करने है दुख हरनी, जय सुख करने जय दुख हरनी, ये मधुसूदन की
आरती। पापियों को पाप से है तारती, भागवत भगवान की है आरती। पापियों को पाप से है तारती।
ये मधुर बोल जग फंड खोल, सनम मार्ग दिखाने वाला, बिगड़ी को बनाने वाला। ये मधुर बोल जग फंड खोल, सनम मार्ग दिखाने वाला, बिगड़ी को बनाने वाला। श्री राम यही घनश्याम यही,
श्री राम यही घनश्याम यही,
जय राम यही सीताराम यही,
जय राम यही सीताराम यही,
राधे श्याम यही सीताराम यही,
राधे श्याम यही सीताराम यही।
प्रभु के महिमा की आरती।
पापियों को पाप से है तारती,
जय जय भागवत
भगवान की है आरती। पापियों को पाप से है तारती,
पापियों को पाप से है तारती।
पापियों को पाप से है तारती।
गंगा तुरे
गंगा तोरे धारा बहिना बहिना, गंगा तोरे धारा बहिना बहिना, बहिना 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 बहिना।
बहिना 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 बहिना,
गंगा तोरे धारा बहिना बहिना, गंगा तोरे धारा बहिना बहिना। ही पर गंगा वही पर जमुना,
पार गंगा वही पार जमुना,
बिचवा में धारा बहिना बहिना।
बिचवा में तारा हरिना हरिना,
गंगा तोरे धारा बहिना बहिना,
गंगा तेरी धारा बहिना बहिना।
ही पर चंद्रा वही पर सरजू,
पार चंद्रा वही पार सरजू,
बिचवा में तारा उगेना उगेना।
बिचवा में तारा उगेना उगेना,
गंगा तोरे धारा बहिना बहिना, गंगा तोरे धारा बहिना बहिना। ही पर रामा वही पर लक्ष्मण,
पार रामा वही पार लक्ष्मण,
बिचवा में सीता हरिना हरिना।
बिचवा में सीता हरिना हरिना,
गंगा तोरे धारा बहिना बहिना, गंगा तोरे धारा बहिना बहिना, बहिना 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 बहिना।
बहिना 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 बहिना,
गंगा तोरे धारा बहिना बहिना, गंगा तोरे धारा बहिना बहिना, गंगा तोरे धारा बहिना बहिना।
We join in closing prayer. As you stand on your 2 feet of courage and manliness, Pray for yourselves, your near and dear ones, for continued blessings, guidance, help, and protection. Om Swasti Prajabhya Paripalayantam Nyayen Margen Mahi Mahisha Gau Brahmane Shubhamastu Nityam Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Om Mangalam Asmad Gurunam Mangalam Me Astu Sarvesham Mangalam Bhavatu. Om Sarvesham Swasti Bhavatu. Sarvesham Shantir Bhavatu. Sarvesham Pur Bhavatu. Sarvesham Mangalam Bhavatu. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah. Sarve Santu Niramayah. Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschid Dukbhag Bhavet. Om Tat Sat. Harihi Om Tat Sat. Om Ganapati Girijabrishabdhvaja Shanamukho Nandi Mukhadindimam Manujamala Trisholam Mrigasya Charm Pratidinam Kushalam Jai Mangalam Ravi Shashi Kunja Indu Brihaspati Bhrigaja Bhanuja Singhaja Ketava Uraganamapi yoga charashaya Pratidinam kushalam jai mangalam Surasarira vinandini gomati Sarayutamapi sagar ghar ghara Kanakaramapi gandaki narmada Pratidinam kushalam jai mangalam Bhrigumarichi Pulasya cha Angira Kapilavastya acha Agastya cha Narada Guru Vashishta Sanatana Jaimini Pratidinam Kushalam Jai Mangalam Varuna Indru Kuveda Hutashana Yama Samirana Baridha Kunjara Suragana Asurashya Mahidhara Pratidinam Kushalam Jai Mangalam Pratidinam Kushalam Jai Mangalam Shiva Hare Shiva Rama Sakhe Prabhu Trividhatap Nivaran He Bibho Aj Janeshwar Yadav Pahi Mam Shiva Hare Vijayam Kuru Me Varam Shiva Hare Vijayam Kuru Me Varam Om Adau Devaki Devagarbhyananam Gupi Grihe Vardhanam Maya Putana Jivatapharam Govardhanodharanam Kansa Cheram Kauravaridhanam Kunti Sutapalanam Bhagavatam Etam Puran Katitam Shri Krishna Leelamritam Shri Krishna Leelamritam Harihi Om Tat Sat Om Mangalam Bhagwan Vishnu Mangalam Garudhvajam Mangalam Pundarikaksha Mangalayatano Hari Omavahanam Na Janami Visarjanam Pujam Chaiva Na Janami Chammatam Parmeshwara Tvameva Mata Cha Pita Tvameva Bandho Shya Sakha Tvameva Vidyandravinam Tvameva Sarvam Mama Deva Deva Om Shanti Shanti